8th class algebraic identity 3, nothing but a plus b into a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, deriving a plus b into a minus b is equal to a into, first this a into a minus b plus b into a minus b, nothing but here a into a square, a into b minus a into minus b is equal to minus ab plus b into a ba plus b into minus b is equal to minus b square, nothing but here ab minus ab plus ba is equal to ab, ba is equal to ab, you can say a 2 into 3 or 3 into 2 likewise you will get this minus ab plus ab will get cancelled. This is a square, this is b square is the final solution for this one. This is the rough work, you can see. Worksheet 3, identity 3, algebra. Find the following products using identity 3. Nothing but 2x plus 7y into 2x minus 7y. Formula is a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. This is identity 3. Nothing but this is the question. In this, a is equal to 2x, b is equal to 7y. So solution, 2x plus 7y into 2x minus 7y is equal to a square. A square means 2x whole square minus 7y whole square. 2 square x square minus 7 square y square. Then you will get like this. 2 square means 4, x square minus 7 square means 49, y square. And this is the solution for 2x plus 7y into 2x minus 7y is equal to 4x square minus 49 y square is the answer. Here first question, second bit, 5ab minus 8c into 5ab plus 8c. Formula, solution, formula a minus b into, this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So it can be written as a square minus b square. A is equal to 5ab, b is equal to 8c in this question. So we resolve this. 5ab minus 8c into 5ab plus 8c is equal to, what is the formula? A square minus b square. A square means 5ab whole square minus b means 8c whole square. This can be written as 5 square means 25, a square b square, 25 a square b square, 8 square means 64 c square. So that is the answer for this one. In third bit, you can see 4p square plus q square into 4p square minus q square. Solution for this one. Formula a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Here a is equal to 4p square, b is equal to q square. So we resolve like this. This is a question, 4p square plus square q square into 4p square minus q square is equal to a square minus b square is the solution. A square 4p square whole square minus q square whole square. This is equal to 4 square q to the power of 4. How we will see? 4 square means 16. P to the power of 2, p square whole to the power of square, nothing but 2 into 2, a to the power of m whole to the power of n. See, a to the power of m whole to the power of n, nothing but a to the power of mn. Mn means multiply. Just simply p square whole square is equal to 2 into 2, nothing but p to the power of 2 into 2, nothing but p to the power of 4 is the answer. Likewise, q square whole square, nothing but q to the power of 4 is the answer. So finally you will get 16 p to the power of 4 minus q to the power of 4 is the answer. Here first question, fourth bit, x by 3 minus y by 2 into x by 3 plus y by 2 is the question. So formula, solution for this one, formula a minus b into a plus b, like this. A square minus b square is the solution. Here a is equal to x by 3, b is equal to y by 2. So you will get like this, x by 3 minus y by 2 into x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to a square means x by 3 whole square minus b square means y by 2 whole square, nothing but you will get like this, x square by 3 square minus y square by 2 square. This is the, finally you will get x square by 9, 3 square means 9, 2 square means y square by 4, x square by 9 minus y square by 4 is the final answer. Here first question, fifth bit, 0.1 m minus 0.2 n into 0.1 m in plus 0.2 n. Formula a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here a is equal to 0.1 m, b is equal to 0.2 n. For this one, 0.1 m minus 0.2 n into 0.1 m plus 0.2 n is equal to 0.1 m whole square, a square, minus b square means 0.2 n whole square. This can be written as 0.1 square m square minus 0.2 square n square. This can be written as 0.1 whole square means 0.01 m square minus 0.2 whole square is equal to 0.04 n square. Here we can see 0.1 into 0.1, you will get, after how many dots you have to put, how many positions you have to put dot means, here for first one 1 dot 1 position, here 1 position means second 2 positions. After 2 positions you have to put the dot, nothing but 0.01 is the, for this one 0.2 into 0.2 is equal to 0.04 is for the this one solution.